What if the future of artificial intelligence was shaped decades before anyone used the words machine learning? What if the most powerful force behind modern AI didn't start in a lab, but in a childhood defined by displacement, discipline, and survival? From a young immigrant in America to the helm of a company that reshaped computing, and the co-founder and longtime CEO of Nvidia, often called the godfather of modern AI, this is the true story of Jensen Huang, the man who quietly built the computational foundation of the AI age. Jensen Huang was born February 17, 1963, Taiwan, into a middle-class family. His father worked as a chemical engineer, and his mother was a school teacher. At the time, Taiwan was still developing its technological identity. Opportunity was limited. Competition was not. His father believed education was the only real advantage a child could carry into an uncertain future. So when Jensen was still young, the family made a decision that would shape his life forever. They left. First to Thailand and then to the United States. But America did not greet Jensen Huang with comfort. Huang immersed himself in academic work and quickly developed a passion for technology. He attended Aloha High School in Oregon, where he excelled in academics and cultivated a deep interest in engineering, circuits, systems, and logic. He enrolled at Oregon State University, earning a degree in electrical engineering in 1984. Later, he continued at Stanford University, completing his master's degree in 1992, right as Silicon Valley was preparing for its next wave. These formative years deepened his technical foundation and expanded his understanding of computer systems, the groundwork for his future innovations. But Jensen didn't start as a visionary. He started as a chip designer. His first industry role was as a microprocessor designer at Advanced Micro Devices, AMD. Afterward, he moved to LSI Logic, where he eventually became a division director, gaining valuable leadership experience at one of the era's key semiconductor firms. He worked deep inside microprocessors, learning how silicon thinks, how data moves, and how performance is unlocked. While others focused on software, Jensen focused on the physics of computation. That distinction would change everything. In April 1993, at the age of 30, Jensen Huang co-founded Nvidia Corporation alongside fellow engineers Chris Malachowski and Curtis Preem. Their vision: to create specialized graphics processors that could handle the intense visual demands of emerging PC gaming. Huang was appointed CEO and president from day one, a role he would hold for decades. The early years were brutal. For years, GPUs were seen as tools for visuals, nothing more. Jensen saw something else. He noticed that GPUs were exceptionally good at doing many small calculations simultaneously, the exact type of computation needed for scientific simulations. Then came CUDA, a platform that allowed developers to use GPUs for non-graphics tasks. Quietly, without headlines, GPUs became tools for climate modeling, medical imaging, physics research, and eventually, artificial intelligence. When neural networks exploded in capability in the 2010s, they didn't run on CPUs. They ran on Nvidia GPUs, not by accident, by design. As AI models grew larger, data centers transformed. Nvidia wasn't selling chips anymore. It was selling infrastructure for intelligence. From cloud computing to autonomous vehicles, from robotics to healthcare, Nvidia's hardware became the backbone of modern AI systems. And Jensen Huang remained exactly where he started, at the center, still CEO, still an engineer, still focused on performance, efficiency, and scale. Huang's leadership has been recognized with some of the industry's most prestigious honors. He has been elected to the National Academy of Engineering and received the Robert Noyce Award, the IEE Founders Medal, and other prominent accolades. Publications like Fortune and Time have named him among the world's most influential CEOs. Under his guidance, Nvidia's technology evolved from specialized graphics chips to the computational backbone of modern AI platforms, powering everything from data centers to autonomous vehicles. Today, Jensen Huang is widely credited with foreseeing the broader potential of parallel computing and steering Nvidia into the AI era. What began as a graphics-focused startup now underpins a large portion of contemporary AI infrastructure. his influence extends beyond business, shaping how industries, scientists, and innovators leverage computing to solve some of the world's most complex problems. Jensen Huang did not invent artificial intelligence. He did something more important. He built the machines that made it possible. From an immigrant child navigating unfamiliar worlds to the architect of the AI computing era, his story is not about prediction. It is about preparation, and the future he prepared for has already arrived.